Our planet communicates with us in various ways, trying to draw our attention to the problems we have created ourselves. One of the most striking signals is the evidence of global warming, which is becoming increasingly visible and alarming. Scientists from around the world provide us with overwhelming evidence that Earth's climate is changing at an unprecedented rate in human history. They analyze climate data, conduct field research, and use advanced computer models to understand these changes. One of the most obvious pieces of evidence is the rise in Earth's average temperature. We see this in rising thermometer readings and increasingly frequent heat waves. Since the beginning of the 20th century, the average surface temperature of the Earth has increased by about 1 degree Celsius. Although this may seem like a small change, it has enormous consequences for our environment. Melting glaciers and ice sheets are another worrying piece of evidence of global warming. As temperatures rise, glaciers around the world begin to shrink. Glaciers around the world, from the Himalayas to the Andes, are losing mass at an alarming rate. This phenomenon not only changes the landscape, but also affects water resources on which many communities depend. This melting ice flows into the oceans, contributing to rising sea levels and threatening millions of people living in low-lying coastal areas. Rising sea levels lead to more frequent and more destructive floods. Extreme weather events, such as heat waves, droughts, floods, and hurricanes, are becoming more frequent and intense. These events have serious consequences for people, animals, and plants. Scientists warn that as Earth's climate continues to warm, we can expect even more frequent and extreme weather events. We must act now to minimize these changes and protect our planet for future generations.